Usabut Matrang Baka Jala, Preston Song, Hakasi Balang, Ong Bola Bthah, Bor Distrik, Kumjuk Tana Pulit and Peitngor, but Bodin, Halok Jingleit Palat, Jingleit Pisa, Indonesian, the Kunhon Bakisang Baper, Kumjuk Crucian Hanabash long. Habakram Gilap Taikobor, Usabut Matrang Ba, over the room at Campo Yang Jala, Ulong Makanigajing Bthah, Caddy Hidden the Yojin Tip, Kidan Kunhon Blade to Pisa, Cambo Jimbet Bor Distrik, Katcom Kandon.
We have already instructed the district administration again because this one it is the whole responsibility of the district administration. The DC, the SP has to take care of this, and I'm very sure even official notification has come out that because it is legal unless you get the permission from the deputy commissioner. You cannot just go and collect donation in the form of donation, whether a group of person, whether a person or whether an NGOs or whatever, you can't. There is a prescribed norm where you cannot just do like that blindly. You have to get the permission. Then only you can do with the issue the receipt, and you can even approach the concerned concerned whoever, maybe business houses or whatever.